Hello everyone and welcome to our panel discussion for the midterm examination. Today we'll be discussing the use of artificial intelligence in academic settings and the appropriate student response to this technology. In this discussion, we'll explore how AI influences education, what challenges it presents, and how students should respond responsibly and ethically. I'm Widiani Fidel Patola and I'll be moderating today's session. Joining me are the panelists. Panelist number 1,
My name is Surya Ardiansa.
panelist number 2,
My name is Dewi Saksiapriyanita.
panelist number 3,
I am Fitriani.
panelist number 4.
I am Sri Olivia.
Let's begin. To start off our discussion, I'd like to ask about the positive side of artificial intelligence. Question number 1. What are the main benefits of using artificial intelligence in education? For example, how does it help students and teachers in learning or teaching? Let's begin with panelist number 1.
Well, I think the greatest benefit of AI is its ability to personalize learning. Every student has a different learning speed and style, and AI can be used as a private tutor that can adjust the material. For teacher, AI can serve as a reliable administrative assistant, creating multiple choice quiz questions, checking factual answer, or helping to organize assignment. That's all from me. Thank you.
What about panelist number 2?
I think AI helps students understand lesson in a more personalized and engaging, like a private tutor. For teacher, AI helps create tests, grade assessment, and manage class, giving them more time for direct interaction with students.
What about panelist number 3?
Well, I think AI gives a lot of benefit in education. It can help students learn faster because it offers personalized materials and instant feedback. For teachers, it saves time in grading and planning lessons. So overall, AI makes learning more efficient and enjoyable for everyone. Thank you.
And panelist number 4?
Well, I think AI helps learning by using quick explanation, personalized exercise, and making it easier for teacher to assess achievement. Thank you.
Thank you for all the insight. Now, for question number 2, while AI offers many advantages, it also presents certain challenges. So the question is, what possible risks or negative effects can arise from using AI in academic works? And do you think students might become too dependent on AI tools, or are there other problems we should be concerned about, such as plagiarism, misinformation, or ethical issues? Panelist number 1, what's your perspective on this? Please.
I think we cannot truly AI through the risk of posed by AI. In my opinion, there are two risks: erosion of basic skills and academic integrity issues. First, if we always rely on AI to summarize, analyze, and even write, over time our brains will become lazy. Second, the issue of plagiarism. AI can producing information that sounds very convincing, but it's actually wrong. If students simply swallow it whole without verification, it could become a problem. Thanks.
Panelist number 2.
The biggest risk is that students become lazy and stop thinking critically due to over-reliance on AI. It can also be used for cheating for plagiarism and can spread inaccurate information of not double checking.
Panelist number 3.
I think AI has some risks. One of them is that students might rely on it too much and stop thinking critically. There's also a change of plagiarism since some people just copy AI's answer. So that's why we need to use it carefully and always check it, the information.
And panelist number 4.
Well, I think the risk of AI are that students might become too dependent, copy answer without thinking, and sometimes receive incorrect information.
Those are really important points. Moving on to question number 3. Since AI has become such a major part of education, do you think schools and universities should create specific rules or guidelines about its use? And if yes, what kind of rules would be the most effective? Panelist number 1, please start.
I think this is not only necessary but essential. Without clear rules, chaos and injustice may ensue. School or universities can implement rules, but they do not need to be completely prohibitive. Rather, they should focus on governance. For example, transparency rules. Students must openly declare if they using AI. Thank you.
Panelist number 2.
Absolutely. Effective rules should be clear. For example, when students are allowed to use AI, when they are not, like during exams, and how to acknowledge its use in assessment to avoid plagiarism.
Panelist number 3.
Yes, schools and universities need clear rules about when and how students can use AI. And I think students should also mention if they use AI in their work so everything stays honest and fair. Thank you.
Panelist number 4.
School need clear rules. Like AI might be used for reference and understanding material, but not for completing assignment fully. And students must test when they use AI. Okay, thank you.
Thank you all for the answers. Now let's focus on the student's role. As students, what do you think is the most responsible way to use AI technology in academic life? How should students use AI responsibly and ethically in their studies? And should they acknowledge AI use or treat it as a regular tool? Panelist number 1, what are your thoughts?
Perhaps we can draw an analogy with calculators. We are not prohibited from using calculators, but we are required to understand the basic mathematical concept first. The same applies to AI. Use AI as a learning partner, not a child cheating device. Use it to spark ideas, ask for explanation of difficult concept from different perspectives, review and provide feedback. The most important thing here is to always verify its accuracy with other source. Thank you.
Panelist number 2.
Students should ask AI as a learning assistant, not an answer like hand. They must still think critically about the AI output, check the effect, and honestly acknowledge it as in their work of required if required by their teacher. Thank you.
Panelist number 3.
Students should see AI as a helper, not a shortcut. It's okay to use it for ideas or grammar checking, but the final result should still be their own work. And I believe it's important to mention when AI is used to keep things ethical. Thank you.
Panelist number 4, please.
Okay, students should use AI responsible and still understand the answer they submit. Thank you.
Thank you all for the answer. For our final question, let's look ahead. How do you think AI will shape the future of education in the next few years? In your opinion, how will AI shape the future of education? Should students be more open to it or more cautious about its influence? Panelist number 1, let's hear from you.
I think AI may fundamentally change education. The focus will no longer be on what you know, because no facts can be queried from AI in an instant. So it is likely that in the future education will focus on how you use the knowledge. So skills such as critical analysis, evaluation, creativity, and collaboration skills that are very human will become the new currency. So for students, be open-minded and critical, be open to embracing this technology, master it, and make it your partner to strengthen your abilities. The future is not about people who can be commanded by AI, but about people who can intelligently partner with AI. Thank you.
Panelist number 2.
I will make education more personalized and accessible. Students should be open to leveraging its opportunities but also cautious and critical. Human skills like critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration will become even more valuable. Thank you.
Panelist number 3, please.
In my opinion, AI will make the future of education more creative and flexible. Students can learn anytime and anywhere. But we should still be careful, use AI wisely. Keep thinking critically and don't lose our originality. Thank you.
Panelist number 4, please.
Well, I think AI will modernize education, although critical thinking skill must still be maintained. Thank you.
Thank you all for sharing your perspective. From today's discussion, we can see that artificial intelligence has both great potential and real challenges in the academic world. It can make learning more efficient and accessible, but it also requires responsibility, awareness, and ethical decision making from both educators and students. And as students, our goal should be to use AI wisely and honestly as a tool that supports our growth, not one that replaces our effort. That concludes our panel discussion. Thank you to all the panelists and to everyone watching. We hope this conversation encourages more thoughtful and responsible use of AI in education. Thank you.